Now that we've picked all the apples, let's make some apple strudel. As you see, we have quite enough of them. I will try first to use all of this. So we're gonna peel them all. And I will help myself with this tool that I have. If you want, you can even put it with the peel, but I kinda like it more without the peel. So you do it as you wish. I'll first do a few of this, and then I'm gonna peel it all. I wasn't expecting that they will be so nice inside also, but anyway, as I say, you can even use it with the peel. Otherwise, if I eat them raw, I always eat them with the peel because they say the peel has the most vitamins. So this, you see, I will put away definitely. I'm gonna use, let's say, because they are some half size, I will use 8 of them. So I put 8 of them, they are medium size, and we can now start peeling them. This really is the best and fast way to do apple strudel. And so now that we've peeled them all, we're gonna put it through this one, and we will nicely slice all pieces. Just be careful. When we slice all of this, we're just gonna now prepare the baker. Eccola. I just see if is there some more left. And this is it. So we're gonna prepare the baker now. And we're gonna nicely put this pastry on the baker. It already comes, as you see, with the baking paper. Just roll it. I think the right way to say is puff pastry. Anyway, I'm gonna put it nicely here. I'm just cutting this away, and then I will just on the half cut it with the knife. To our apples, I'm just adding some cinnamon as well. You can also, as I said, add some sugar as well, but I'm not gonna add it because at the end I'm adding it sugar powder, so I'm not adding it here. And now we're just gonna nicely, gently put the apples on. I was looking if there is some left, but as you see, I got two as well. Eccola. So we're gonna put half on this side and half on this in the middle. I did put it quite a lot because we have so many apples, but anyway. Maybe I will just put this and this, we will eat like this. Eccola. And now we're just gonna, I hope you see, eccola. I'm just gonna put one side on, just here at the end, put it a bit like this, and here as well, and the other one on top, and put a bit like this, and here as well. Eccola. And this side now, we're just gonna roll it and do it like this. I'm gonna show you now also on this one. So you put one side through. Obviously I will have to put a bit away. Eccola. Gently squeeze here a bit and on the end also you put a bit up and do it like this. Now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna add a bit of water on top. It's okay if you just put a few drops on it. And eccola, our strudel is ready for baking. So we're gonna put it in the oven for about 15-20 minutes on 200 degrees until the pastry is golden. So on 200 degrees for about 15-20 minutes. Yay. Now it's 15 minutes. I'm gonna leave it a few minutes more. Eccola, our strudel is finished. You will see it's got this nice golden pastry. I'm gonna leave it for 1 minute more. Eccola, now I put it out and we're just gonna wait a few minutes that it cools down a bit. It's gonna be so delicious. So first we're gonna add a bit of sugar powder. Now I'm just gonna add a bit of cream, as we said, and just a bit of ice cream. I have just a bit here, but the best is if you use the vanilla ice cream. And this is gonna be perfect because then all the tastes melt together, especially the apples and the cold ice cream and hot apples. Eccola. This is really so delicious. Please try it and tell me in the comments if you liked it. If you like it, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Ciao!